how to make Enchanted Apple in Minecraft. So this will only work for versions 1.20.2 and older, since we will use a data pack and the latest version for the data pack is 1.20.2. So I'm just going to put the link on the description so that you could download it. So this is basically where you will download the craftable Enchanted Golden Apple data pack. So as you can see, the latest one is the 1.20.2 version of Minecraft. So that's the one that we are going to download. So just click on download and just simply click on save and wait for it to download. So now open up Minecraft, then go to single player and open up the world right here, or select the world and just simply click on edit, then click on open world folder. Now once you're there, just open up data packs, and now we will open up a new folder right here, or new tab. Then just simply go to the downloads and just simply copy or cut this folder that we downloaded and paste it here on the data packs folder of Minecraft. Now once that's done, just simply exit out of this and just simply click on save, and now open up the world. And now once we are here on our world, you simply need to get a crafting table. So this is the recipe, crafting table, then get your golden block and your apple, just like so. Now we're just going to place it right here. Now open it up and your block of gold. So I'll just get more, just like so. Now open up your crafting table and just put it the block of gold just like this. Now get your apple and put it here on the middle. And as you can see, I now have my enchanted golden apple. And that's I basically make or craft an enchanted golden apple in Minecraft.